if you're looking to reel mow your lawn. It's kind of hard to get, but if you tell us in advance, let's talk about it. You want to get some Zoysia grass that's already cut at 1/2 inch. This stuff is tight. The roots are just awesome. This thing is nice and heavy, and this grass basically has been maintained already with a reel mower out at the farm. It's cut like at 1/2 inch, and this is going to be a whole lot less work for you to get your install and be rocking and rolling with your reel mower. If it's normal Zeon grass, which is just absolutely beautiful grass, it usually comes at 1 inch or 1.5 inch. But if you tell us in advance, we'll talk about this 1/2 inch cut, reel mowed, prepped, and ready to rock Zeon grass. As you can see, this yard is just phenomenal, and it's ready to be reel cut as soon as this stuff grows together. You know, it can't just jump off and start mowing it with a reel mower. But you know, it's going to be ready a whole lot sooner, and you know, the top dressing and all that kind of good stuff. It's a whole lot less work whenever you start with the grass that was cut with the reel mower from the farm. So that Zeon Zoysia grass, you know, you can cut that at 1/2 inch or even shorter. I don't know how tight you can take it. It really depends on your skills and what you guys got, how well you're taking care of it. Most of you guys with reel mowers know how to do that. It's always a chore, but it's always got a big reward whenever you can take care of your lawn, cut it a couple times a week, and this is some good looking grass. This is Zeon Zoysia. Give us a call. Here's our phone number. Here's our website, and you can get your lawn ready to rock and roll. Bye.